Anthony hooking one?
Oh, okay. I'll switch over to Anthony. Mean Anthony missing one?
I see it.
Oh, you guys, you're gonna catch some kids is what you're gonna catch. They're coming right over to that catfish.
Not funny, not funny. You gotta help him.
You had an imagination bite. That's imagination, yeah. They told you, imagination.
Double, right to shore.
Going to the shore too. Watch the rope.
Hey, get a videotape of them grabbing my fish.
They're gonna get tangled up in the hooks, the lines, the catfish, whatever.
No!
Grab my fish.
Stay away from it, Christy. Stay away from them. They got horns on them. They're gonna get. They got horns. Yes, they'll stick you.
Same depth over here, but to the left side.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
Get Christy to take the bait. I bet she'd give you a little fight.
Anthony, come this way. I can't reach him.
Anthony's a little busy. Have you seen this thing? The catfish man.
Look at Anthony. He looks like a true catfish man.
Yeah, he looks like he's a Cajun or something. Oh, little guy.
Like 7 pounds maybe?
Maybe.
Short.
If you say so.
They fight like crazy vertical like this.
Yeah. They don't want to come into the boat for some reason. Beats me.
Hey, come in the boat. You're coming in the boat.
Come
on, get in.
Come on, bro. We gotta go get our shoes. I'm not gonna get our shoes.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. Start over.
That was bigger.
Bigger?
No, yours.
Oh, yeah, he's a little bigger.
This one is.
You go back to the boat. I'll get your shoes. Anthony's gonna kill himself.
I don't know what that was, but I'm guessing it was a bite.
Got a big ass mouth. Look at this one. He looks like a yellow cat. Big.
It's just a channel.
He's got a big mouth for a channel cat.
Big mouth channel. New species. Part of new species, the mega mouth channel cat.
Yeah. Could be.
Look at the size of this.
I see the sinker. I see the catfish.
Nice and easy now. Remember, nice and easy. You don't want to break the line. It's not heavy line. Hey, you're doing good. How did that happen? I wonder if it came out of his mouth. Go down. Get the net, Christy. Help her net it. It's snagged.
Now the next snack. Grandpa. Oh, sorry.
Go down. Go down. Go down.
I can't do it.
You got it. You almost got him, but don't quit. Don't quit. Reel down.
Go up.
Reel down. Now go up. Now reel down. Now go up. A little bit more. Christy can get him. Now reel down. Now go up. Now get him, Christy. Get him. Oh, you got him.
He's not in the boat yet. You don't have him yet. He's not in the boat. Get him in the boat.
All right.
Oh, don't dump him out.
Look at that, Brooke. You got him. Get a picture of him.
Where's Brooke at? I can't see Brooke.
Brooke, come get in the picture.
I'm not going to hold it.
I'm getting the picture so Grandpa can see it.
No one put it up there, okay?
You don't have to hold it. Just come take a picture with them. Come stand over here.
Come look at me, Brooke.
I don't
She's
watch
got
these
you.
on the
Dad's
bow
got
when
you.
he
You're
wants
not going for a
to
swim.
take pictures.
Okay. Which one's the fish? Oh, the one that's not wiggling.
Good job.
No, the one that's wiggling is the fish. That's what it is.
Okay, so
No, never. I saw what he did to you.
not in his hands, in his gills. Slide your hand in
Get
the
him, he's
side.
sneaking up on me.
Slide your hands in his gills on the side.
And give him a big old kiss.
Let's do this.
That'll work.
You do anyway.
He's got whiskers.
Mwah.
Oh, there. That's good. Nice kiss.
Bluegill back here.
Hey, Grandpa, kind of looks like you.
Looks like me. My whiskers aren't that long.
Get a picture of the stinger.
We're wiggling.
We're wiggling.
Yeah, it's either that one or that one. The first one.
Hey, Christy, mine and yours, I think it's close
I
competition.
think yours is a big belly on it, though.
Yours is a little fatter, mine's a little longer, I think.
Here's the fish.
Let's
Mine.
see.
That's all the fish. Wow. Where's yours?
Yours might be bigger.
Take some off.
Yeah. You can go. Can you put that in the cabin, Anthony? Come over. The anchor? Huh? Can you put the anchor in the cabin or something? Why not?
Grandpa, you're gonna drop your camera in the water.
Did he ask you how big it was?
Did you see it, Grandpa? He looked right at me.
Oh, he looked at you? Make sure it's not to be.
He's going to the tree.
No, he went to the water after